Hey, what's up, everybody? What's up? What's up? Hmm. Hmm. Yeah, this is tricky. So I'm definitely selling on the ES. When price comes back into this range right here, look at that. When price comes back into like 60, I mean, if price comes into this area and we don't see a rejection, then I'm going to sell in this area, this 60 area. I'm going to sell this. The bears are definitely going to come in and try to sell the retest here. You say why? Because you got that breaker structure to the downside, and this is the ES. Well, you got the breaker structure to the downside. I'm not saying that we reverse. I'm saying that the bulls that were long here are definitely going to take some profits here at this area of resistance for sure. So I'm going to try here. I should at least get 10 points in this. Hmm. I'm gonna look at 405 for the bulls to take profit on the Nasdaq though. You said why would you take profit from there? I don't know, game weight. Why would you? Why would you? I mean, it's a great area to take profits. Great area to take profits because obviously they're not taking profits here at this level. Well, I'm on the Nasdaq now. I mean, a lot of people are trying to sell 325, but I don't think 325 is going to be that level that people sell at. I don't even think 360 is going to be that level that people sell at. I think we're going to probably make a rotation higher up to 400 on the Nasdaq. 422. Oh. Hmm. Honestly, I would prefer to get into this thing long, but um, we may not get that. Oh boy, today has definitely been a challenging day. Definitely a challenging day today. Hmm. I don't know. Oh boy. I keep deleting gold off my chart. I mean, I just can't trade it. I don't want to trade it. Is probably a better way of saying it. I just don't want to trade it. Mm. 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 Yeah, I think I'm just gonna start focusing. Oof. Okay. All right. So yeah. Today was definitely one of those days, man. Challenging. I don't know why yesterday's session felt so different. We was preparing for that move all week. All freaking week we was preparing for that move. I think I hate the fact that I missed it. I hate the fact that I missed it. I hate that. The only good thing that happened during yesterday's session is that my Tesla calls are going to be up tomorrow morning when I wake up. That's the only good thing that happened. Or yeah. What's up, J Stores? What's up, J Stores? So no, gain weight. I am not looking for shorts. I'm looking to catch the reversal because I'm already long in my swing accounts. So it's not, my overall bias is bullish. I was able to get in at the bottom and scale in, so I got one more running. So no, my overall bias is bullish, but in my intraday accounts, obviously I got to trade the swings, and that's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for some swings to catch. That's it. I don't think it's a reversal. I'm just looking for profit taking opportunities to catch swings. That's it. But I think that tomorrow we see a full rotation, especially with Tesla. Whatever Tesla did, uh, we saw a pump after market. So, and I think that this market was preparing for that move. So, like I said, man, I just hated the fact that we was talking about this move all day, and I wasn't able to participate in it. And I don't even know how or where or why I fumbled the bag the way I did today. I was so disappointed in my execution. I don't know what the hell was going on today. I was able to pass another account, but um, losing all that money in my funded account, uh, shit. I lost 2 funded accounts today. I lost 2 of them, and shit, I really, like I said, I really don't even know what the hell happened today. Honestly, I lost the account that I got a payout from, and I lost that new account that I just activated yesterday. So yesterday's session was definitely rough. Don't even know how. Like I said, don't know how. The one thing that I have to work on is like these one-way price action, because the one thing that I do, the one thing that I notice that I do when the market is trading in one way, because I'm anticipating a bounce and I don't want to get stopped out before the bounce happens, I will put more risk on the table. I'll move my stop because I don't want to get stopped out and then the bounce happens and blah, blah, blah. And unfortunately, that didn't work too well for me today. And all that hard work, I mean, I made about 25K this month. 25K. No, about 30K this month. My bad. Across all my accounts. And all that work is gone. Gone. So yeah, I was definitely disappointed. I don't know if I really don't know if I did that on purpose, subconsciously. But yeah, I definitely beat myself up in the gym today because like I said, that type of execution, that type of emotional training, not looking at the charts, not accepting the loss. I just don't know what it is about these types of days that I just completely lose my mind. Mm. But I definitely paid for it. I mean, do we see a rotation up higher? Mm. I mean, do we see a move back up to 440? Hmm. I mean, I don't think so. I mean, all I know is that if price gets above 380 and stays above 380, then we can continue to make that rotation up higher for sure. But I know 380, 360 is going to be that area. that we may see some resistance at. I don't think that the market reverses there. I mean, not with this type of rotation down. I mean, if they didn't, I mean, I doubt it, but shit, why not? 894. Not even worth it, dude. Yeah, it's not even worth it. So, shit, I almost lost my swing account too, but I was able to bring it back at the end of the day. I was able to bring this account back by the end of the day because I was about to blow it. I was about to lose 2K in this account. And whatever came over me to stop out of the position when I did is what saved the account. I think I had about $200 or $300 worth of drawdown left. And with $200 to $300 of drawdown, I was able to make. I think now I'm only down about $200 from being down almost $1,800. So I will say that yesterday was definitely a learning experience for sure. And gain weight, this is why I'm going to short 860 on the ES. Because the bears are definitely going to sell the retest here. Like I said, I'm not looking for a reversal. I'm just looking for them to take profits at 860. We see a retracement. They'll probably buy it at 830, 820-ish. 830, 820, they'll probably buy it there. 840-ish. And I can just get like a 20-point move down. Yeah, they'll probably drop it at 860. And then they'll probably come back in at 845, 843-ish. And then to complete the rotation up higher. Hmm. Hey, what's up, H Trades? EJ? EJ? EJ Trades. EJ Trades. Okay. Hey, I appreciate that, man. And no, that gain weight, that's why I was so disappointed in myself. I really don't know where I fumbled the bag. I really don't know. I was self-reflecting all day today because I was like, we talked about this level all week. I was looking for that level to break all week. And then when it finally freaking breaks, I'm looking for a freaking long instead of taking the short. I'm like, where the hell did that happen? Like, why did that happen? It was crazy. I should have took the short. We was talking about this shit all fucking week. I mean, it touched it beautifully. It literally rejected at the bottom of this range. It double topped at the bottom of this range. What I'm gonna start doing though, because what I'm gonna start doing is major areas of support and resistance. I'm gonna start coloring them, so I know. Silver. Because I got well, I mean, obviously I got emotionally hijacked today, and because I just was focused on getting my daily maximum profit on the ES, and it was a struggle. And then I get on YM, a random trade on YM, make $2,500. But I'm struggling to make $600 on ES. Kind of pissed me off. And then the move I was looking for happened. So yeah, I'm gonna start color coding major areas of resistance, major supply and resistance from now on. Because the bulls were holding this thing. You can see how many times they held this area. About 1, 2, 3, 4. They finally get a break, and then it rotated right back up. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and the 10th time they finally broke through it. Finally broke through it the 10th time. So honestly, I'll be surprised if price trades up into this range and we don't see price come back down into this one. I'll be surprised. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, it definitely was, man. It definitely was. Uh, hmm. Like I said, my execution was horrible. I was because I was originally going to get in at 58. Actually, that's probably you know what? You know what? Where did that bounce at? 58. I forgot about that. Nah, I'm gonna keep it at 59 because I need to. I mean, if I'm wrong here. Now, if I see the market reject here, then I'm gonna take off. I'm gonna take off this limit because if they reject it here, that means that they've already taken their profits. And I mean, we could see them still take profits here at this high, but then it's highly likely that it will bounce right here at 848 and keep going higher. So if they keep pushing this up into this range, then I'm gonna keep this short. If they short it right here, then I'm gonna take this off. But yeah, so yeah, I just made too many mistakes today. Yeah, because I was looking to get in long at 58, but then I was like, well, they might break through this range and they might bounce it at 49. And so when I moved my entry down to 49 and they bounced it at 58, and then my second mistake was thinking that the freaking ES was the Nasdaq and that it was going to overshoot. I will, like I said, I'll admit I was emotional today because I just wanted my $600 so I can just be done. Mm. Yeah, they're definitely gonna. Yeah, it's highly likely that they'll come in at 860 for sure. 860 has been an area of support, support, support. Yeah, they'll definitely come in and sell at 860. Well, it's highly likely that they'll come in at 860. So I'm going to try to front run that and get in at 859. Yeah, yeah, 860 is definitely an area where they're probably coming in shorted at. And you said it only bounces on short time frames, game weight. Yeah. Mm. I'm not gonna lie. That looks like a short, but I don't. You know what? That looks like a short. No, this is GC, so I think I can only trade like. Uh, I'm definitely keeping my eyes on this area right here. You got all the EMA sloping to the upside. Mm, but that is definitely the bears selling the retest. That's definitely the bears selling the retest here. Mm, mm. Yeah. Oh shit, this is the regular gold. Huh. Mm, that these were micros. It's like, what the hell's going on? uh, mm. It would be nice if it continued this pullback. Yeah, this is why I don't like trading gold. This is why I don't like trading it. It's so slow. Yeah, this is just so slow. Mm. No wonder why gold dropped. No wonder why gold had a pullback. Shit, the dollar ran up. Or, never mind, this is not the right chart. Hmm. Okay. Let me just come back to that because that's. um, huh. So I guess all the entire market is doing the same thing, just floating in midair right now. I'm not gonna lie though, that does look like a long opportunity on ES. Mm. Yeah, gold is more active. Yeah. Yeah. Gold and CL. That's why I trade neither one of them because they're just just too slow for me. I can't deal with it. And it says, a few of your friends that mainly sell. Yeah. Bears got clapped today. Taking that. The market's really good at that. I'll give it that. The market's really good at that. But mm, mm. Yeah, I know. See, okay, so this is like, yeah. After I get out this trade, I'm deleting this chart. I got to keep reminding myself why I don't trade this instrument. I'll be an old man before I get my target hit. Okay. Oh, okay. So you're one of those. You're one of those. Okay. You're one of those. You said slow money is good money? Nah, I need it fast. Ah, God. Cool. Using my damn break even as a springboard as per usual. Nah, but you're right, gain weight. I'm just addicted to the NQ, as we all are. If I've never traded the NQ, then trading instruments like this would be no problem, honestly. It would be no problem. It is because of the NQ is the reason why instruments like this that trades within structure, that's easy to read. All you gotta do is kind of set it and forget it. It's the reason why. All right, gold. All right, all right. Okay. All right. I'm not dealing with this. I'm not gonna deal with this. Oh shit. Ah, damn it. I was about to say, okay, I was just gonna take that, but of course it bounced. Of course it did. Of course it bounced. Of course. Of course. Yo, bookmap. Hold on, is bookmap delayed with gold? Ah, ah. Okay. All right. Let's see if she'll give me another chance. She won't. She won't give me another chance. All right. Okay. He says just don't become support in that area. You're trying to short. Enough people have already gotten in the lows. Yeah, that's why I was like, let me just take it right there. Because I don't know how gold reacts to the 21 EMA and I don't know how it reacts to VWAP. So I was just gonna take it right here. And I like I said, I don't care to sit. I don't care to sit in this. All right. Okay. All right, gold. All right. All right. All right. You got it. You got it, gold. You got it. You like to keep people in jail. I get it. You're just like NG. I get it. Now go to jail. NG, now go to jail. All right. So shit, Nasdaq is basically floating in midair, not doing anything. Yeah, like I said, if price does rotate back down into this range right here at 217, I am willing to become a buyer here. We have a lot of support in this area, so I do expect for if price does rotate, it'll bounce from this area, and we can possibly come back up into this range. And mm, but, man, that looks like a short, but I just don't trust it. I mean, everything right here would suggest that this could be possibly a short, but this might be an attempt to trap bears right here. This might be an attempt to trap bears because all the EMAs are sloping to the upside. Okay. All right. So it looks like, yeah. Okay. All right, gold. I guess you want me to trade you and hold this overnight, I guess. Mm. If I kind of see a trade above this high, I'll kind of cut it. I'll cut it. All right. So what's that? 3707 right here. All right, so let's see. Let's see if we can get this flush. Let's see if we can get it to flush. Okay. Well, I guess I was right about that short on mm, mm, yeah, okay. So I guess that was a short on the ES on the Nasdaq. Mm. Oh, speaking of Tesla, I actually saw a Cybertruck up close. I mean, I see him on the road, but I actually saw one up close. This guy had a what looked like to be like an obsidian one. It looked really good. I think with the Cybertrucks, I think it's all about the color that makes them look nice. The color that he had, it looked really nice. It made me wanted to actually buy one myself. Yeah, Tesla right now after hours is at 240, and remember, I bought two 250 calls. So if tomorrow morning, well, I mean, I can probably sell my calls tomorrow because of the IV. I'll probably sell one tomorrow, like at open if I can. But hopefully by the morning it's already in the money because I'm only about what $11 away from it being in the money. Because I mean, uh, yeah, I'm not gonna pay attention to that gold trade, but kind of talking about that Tesla trade, I bought 250 options for $30. So hopefully they're going to be up at least $200 or $300 in the morning, 10x the money. And I'll definitely take at least one because I got three. I bought three. So I initially bought one on Tuesday, and I bought two more for $14 before the close. So altogether, I think I spent what 30, 28. So I spent $68 on 250 calls on Tesla at the end of the session yesterday. So those should be in the money tomorrow. And I mean, I already talked about why I took this. While I took this the long on Tesla, because I mean, yeah, look at that. Started at 39, and I bought it when it was down here. So it's definitely going to probably be in the money by tomorrow for sure. I mean, it has to be. I mean, if it gets like to 40, 45, I'm gonna sell it. Come on, gold. Just give me back my money. Anyway, so when I was talking about Tesla, I mean, it was just suspicious that it was trading in this range right here. And the reason why we bought calls is because we had this massive move up and we had a two-legged pullback into an area of support and it was ranging. So when I see a range, that just tells me that price is either going to break down or to the upside and to another range. And that's why I bought the 250 calls. So for those that chose to take that trade with me, hopefully you'll get a lot of money for that tomorrow. You said that in Atlanta you see a lot of them. Yeah. So I think like the first time I seen a Cybertruck, I was like, wow, I can't believe I actually seen a Cybertruck. Cause it's like at first it's like it's in your imagination. It's like, okay, you see it on the internet, but you don't actually see it in real life. And then I was just sitting on my porch and randomly a Cybertruck just drove by. Yeah, I think gold is just gonna play with my feelings. It's whatever though. Hmm. All right, gold. All right, gold. So what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do here? I mean, it looks like they want to buy it here. I mean, that's what it looks like. It looks like they want to buy it here. But I mean, it's already in a sell cycle. I mean, we already got a double top here. They're already selling it. Honestly, I kind of wish that I was up here. Okay. Yeah, I'm never trading gold again. Once I get out of this trade, win or lose, I'm never taking another gold trade. I'm deleting this chart. That is crazy how this is moving right now. I'm not taking another gold trade. Oh, really? He wants to be seen in the Cybertruck, huh? Like I said, yeah, those things are nice, man. They are definitely nice. Well, actually, I honestly, I can't even have that big of a stop. I'll blow the account if that thing hits my stop. Mm. Yeah, okay. So I don't know. I guess let's actually look at that and let's see if we can actually get some more opportunities trading options. Let me actually look at the option calendar and see when the next earnings are because if we can get in a good area on options like we did with Tesla and we can definitely just keep making money like that. Where is it at? Okay, so the options, earnings, earnings. Okay. So if next week is peak week, I mean, let's look at it. So I'm pretty sure that we're gonna have like Apple next week. Probably have Apple next week. Hmm. Okay. Yeah, this is not financial advice, but Apple is definitely looking like it can actually come back and test at least 235, 234, 235. We can possibly see a move up here. We got an area of support right here. You see the bounce right there. I mean, that's all Apple basically did was run right back into support and now it's making his rotation higher. And a good target right there would be 235, at least for Apple. I know Amazon is probably the same way too. I'm pretty sure there's a good buying opportunity on Amazon as well. If we can find a good opportunity on Nvidia, shit, we'll buy Nvidia too. Mm. I think I think Amazon still got some more room to the downside. I don't think it's a good buy right now. Amazon is not a good buy right now. I mean, it'll probably come back up until like 86, 87 somewhere, and then it'll probably get knocked right back down. That is definitely not support. Let's got Nvidia. Yeah, Nvidia got some more room for downside too. Nvidia definitely has some more room for downside. We'll probably see like a double bottom here at 137, 135 if they are successful in selling it here at 140. Because we had a breaker structure to the downside. They sold it. They bought it right back here. They bought it at these lows and it traded right back into a previous area of resistance. So I expect a move down. If Nvidia gets to like, 135, 136, I'll probably buy some 140 calls. Yeah. I'll probably buy some 140 calls if it gets down here. Because I mean, we called out that 90 level, and I was just mad that I missed it the first time. I wasn't paying attention to Nvidia, and it hit that 90 level when we was talking about it, and we missed that. Well, shit, I missed that trading opportunity. But in all honesty, by the looks of this chart, yeah, about like 35. Yeah, okay, so 35 to about 33, somewhere in this consolidation area. I mean, I guess we could see them try to come down here to like to 130, but I'll definitely keep my eyes on 135. Once price gets to 135, 135, 136, I'll be looking for 140 calls. Now, did we finally get that breakdown with gold? Finally, finally. Mm. You know what? Whatever, dude. Whatever, man. Whatever. That's 24. Huh. That's interesting. That's a short right there on CL. That's definitely a short. That's a short on CL. Yeah, because that would definitely be too much. Okay, so where did I see it at? Yeah, it was right here. Yeah, that thing bounced like right there, dude. That thing bounced like right there. Damn, that's a short. Yeah, that's a short on CL. That's a short. Hmm. Let me see how many points is. Let me see. Because you gotta have to. He kind of have to be perfect with CL. You got to be perfect with her. You really can't take entries like this because you kind of want enough breathing room above these highs before it comes for these lows. I'll be leaving 13. So if I get into this now, I'll be leaving 13 cents on the table. All right. So if I want 50 cents, if I want 50 cents in this move, well, it gives me 50 cents. So if I get 50 cents, that means price would have to come back basically right here. I mean, it could come right there, but it can probably trade right back into this range. Mm. That's a short on CL. Mm. You say stay green. I mean, I'm already up in my gold trade. I mean, I'm up in this trade right now. But that's definitely a short right there. I mean, okay. That's a short. All right, and we'll see what happens to this. So I'm just going to simulate this as a real trade. So I usually keep a 27-point stop, but because I didn't get the entry at 67, I'm just going to act like I got in at 67 and just keep a 27-point stop above that. All right, so like 94. This is where my stop would normally be if I got in right here. Well, I guess honestly, I probably would have waited. I probably would have got in right here at 69 actually, but um I guess it kind of front ran it a little bit. But we'll see what happens. Mm, let me see. 71.55 minus 70.81. That's 74 cents. Yeah, I think that they'll probably come back and test this range, and then we'll probably see like a bounce or something like that. So I'm gonna keep my target right here, and I keep my stop right here. I think my stop is in a good spot. I mean, with CL, you don't have to worry about it overshooting like ES. Neither one of those instruments overshoot. So if you get stopped out, I mean, honestly, really, like I said, 18 points above a high on CL is really all you need. I just usually keep 27 for a peace of mind. I mean, that's just how I trade her. So I don't, so I'm not thinking, oh, is it going to hit my stop? Is it going to hit my stop? I can just focus on the trade. Okay. All right. So I before I get off stream, I'm definitely gonna close this gold trade. I'm not gonna be tortured by this trade. Oh. Okay. Yeah, I'm trading gold and I'm trading CL. I think I'm breaking up with the Nasdaq after what she did to me today. I'm breaking up with her. Nah, I'm playing. I say that shit and I'll be banging at her door outside her window with a radio over my head talking about take me back. Take me back. Take me back. I didn't mean those things I said. I didn't mean it. Hey, what's up, Knife Art? Kind of an update on that YM trade. So this was the second time that I kind of fumbled the bag on. Well, on stream I was up $2,500 on YM, a random trade, and but before that, I was up 15K with YM with that entry that I took yesterday. With that entry we took yesterday with YM, I was up 15K on that, and that's why I'm really thinking about really understanding and learning her because that is some great profit opportunity. I really was geared up to really understand YM, but you profit. I guess they figured that you can trade every other instrument except for YM on their swing account. So that kind of broke my heart because I don't necessarily want to trade intraday with YM because like I said, it's if you miss a move, you miss a move. All right, so it looks like I'm probably gonna get my target hit on gold. Yeah, as y'all can see, I lost like two of my funded accounts today. Yeah, I really Nasdaq really took away a lot from me. She took away a lot of work. She took away a lot of work, and I think, like I said, what we talked about previously. Yeah, I made what this whole month I made 30K this week. A lot of hard work, a lot of discipline, and all it took was one day of becoming emotional, one day of taking emotional trades. All that hard work gone. All that hard work is gone. So now I got to start over. Yeah, gold is definitely torturing me on this trade right now. Yeah, so I'm gonna close this one in the next. I'll probably close it in the next 10 minutes if it doesn't hit my trade or if it doesn't hit my target, because it looks like the bulls are trying to buy it here. It looks like they're trying to buy it here at VWAP in the 21 EMA on gold. I mean, if I'm looking at gold, I mean, if I'm looking at her, I mean, I guess she kind of does bounce and rejects off the 21 and VWAP. I mean, she's literally trending on the 21 VWAP, all the EMAs. She's basically trending on top of them. So, I mean, she's not necessarily perfect on the 21 EMA, but it does seem that she does respect it. I mean, she rejects off of it. Mm. Hey, what's up, JP? What's up? Yeah. Wow. Damn. Sorry to hear that. Damn. Huh. Okay. Let's look at that CL trade, man. Okay. All right. So I'm gonna close that. I'm gonna close that trade in the sim though. I'm closing this because this is where I really want to be at. Okay. So this is how I want to trade her. This is where I really want to be. Trade 2 contracts, 27-point stop. This is where I really want to sell at. And we'll see what happens overnight with this one. Because like I said, with double tops on CL, if she's running liquidity, then you're wrong. That's the great thing about CL is that you immediately know when you're right or wrong. You don't have to guess. You just know it. She shouldn't be running too far above these highs. And so with this short, I don't necessarily expect for CL to reverse. I'm just looking for her to uh, sell off at resistance and then come back to an area where she broke structure to the upside. Now, if they're planning on continuing to rotate, then I think I lose what 27, $540 in this move if I'm wrong. I only lose $540 if I'm wrong, and I can make a possible. All right, so I'm risking 500 to make 1,500. But I know this is going to probably take all day and night. Like this gold trade that's like just basically playing with my emotions at this point. All right, so let me look at this real quick. All right, knife art. Let's look. So we got movement on CL. Okay, we'll see. We'll see what happens here. That gold's dropping. About freaking time, man. About freaking time. Okay. All right, you gonna hit that target or you gonna play with me? You gonna hit my target or are you gonna play with me? Hit that target, boo. Hit it. I'm pretty sure. I mean, if I'm more patient, I can probably get a full rotation down. But like I said, I really don't have the patience for gold like that. I trade the NQ. Slow moves like this, I feel like I'm in jail. I literally feel like I'm in jail in this trade right now. All right. So, okay. So, yeah, that's what I kind of wanted to see with CL. This little wick right here. I mean, if you see CL trade above highs and this is a wick down, this is a clean indication that, okay, we're going to probably start making a rotation down. But if they start trading above these highs, then 9 times out of 10, you're wrong. And having an 18 or 27-point stop is ideal. You don't need no more than that. Okay. You see that, huh? You picked I'm revenge trading. I'm revenge shorting. I'm gonna short everything, god damn it. I missed the short on the Nasdaq, so I'm gonna short everything. I'm gonna short everything, god damn it. Give me my damn target. Give me my target. Yeah, okay. You see that right there? There was no reason for that. None whatsoever. No reason for that. You said, have I ever considered a bot? So, yes and no. I've considered it, but then when I thought about it, I figured that, well, I won't learn nothing if I let a bot do all the trading for me. You know what? All right. All right. I give up. All right. All right, man. Wow. All right. So I'm gonna just put my target here at this candle. Because like I said, I'm not gonna be in this trade all night. Hopefully she comes right back down. Hopefully. And I'm gonna just get out at that candle. And once I get out of this trade, I'm deleting this chart. I'm not trading SIA. I'm not trading gold anymore. That was crazy. Well, mm, I mean, maybe I can. I guess maybe. I guess maybe. I mean, if I caught this move, I mean, if I do it in my swing account, man. No, I mean it's a principle at this point. Mm, that's the principle at this point, man. Man, my damn target, where was that? Mm. So I mean, I'm looking at Bookmap, and it does look like a lot of people are getting stopped out. People that are trying to go long here, they're getting stopped out. He says CL short. Mm. So yeah, I'm looking at CL. I do see that there's like a pocket of liquidity at 72 at this high, but mm, I mean, I guess we'll see. Guess we'll see. He said, look at the currencies. All right, I think I just got my. I think I got my. I think I'm about to get this hit. All right, so let's see if she'll just do it and not be nasty. Wow. Okay. All right. Mhm. Okay. All right. Oh, wow. Mm. Okay. Mm. Futures are more easier to trade than Forex. And it's a more enjoyable experience. Yo, I appreciate that, Texas Red man. Appreciate that. And yeah, you're definitely right. You're definitely right, man. Patience is definitely key, especially with these slow moving markets. But when you're used to the Nasdaq, when the markets move like this, it just feels like, at least for me, I feel like I'm in jail right now. But it just goes to show that I do project the Nasdaq onto other instruments for sure. I do project her onto other instruments. I do expect for other instruments to move just as fast as she does, get to where she's going, or get to where they're going as fast as she gets there. I do that. That's why sometimes I kind of fumble the bag when I trade ES. Sometimes gold likes to take 10 hours, and I would prefer not to be in a trade all day. All right, so kind of going back to the Nasdaq. I mean, it's interesting how price is just stuck here. This price is literally stuck here. Yeah, yeah. That's why I kind of enjoy that's what I enjoy trading with the when I trade ES is that it's technical. I don't have to ever worry about anything. I will hold a position overnight with the ES before I would ever do that with the Nasdaq. I will always if I'm in a position overnight with the Nasdaq, I have to enter the position myself. I can't have it fill for me because the Nasdaq does she has certain tendencies and she behaves a certain way. And I need to see a lot of stuff happen before I even get into a trade and I hold it overnight. If I don't see certain things, then I don't even take the trade on the Nasdaq. But when it comes to the ES, I know that shit. I mean, the easiest trade to ever take on the Nasdaq is or on the ES is to buy and sell a retest of a breaker structure. I mean, that's almost a guaranteed trade on the ES. It's almost guaranteed. Like kind of like right here, they sold the break of or they sold the breaker structure, and this was probably like what so if we got it at 45, so they got it down to 38. Yeah, it's almost about like a 10-point move right here. You can definitely get paid selling a breaker structure on the ES, and that's why I'm starting to focus more on her. And I also enjoy the fact that now she's actually moving more than 10 points. Back when she was trading in a 4 point range, I wouldn't touch the ES. But now she's making 100 point moves. I think today was what? Yeah, today was a like a 93 point move to the downside today. And then we had like a 43 point retracement to the upside. I mean, if the ES starts trading like that, I might focus more on the ES and the Nasdaq. But my only concern with the ES is that she'll go back to her old ways and trading like this for the majority of the day. And I just won't, I won't trade that. I don't have to tolerate that. So you're telling me that you won't sell for a retracement on the ES at 860. You wouldn't sell that. Obviously not for a trade to get comfortable, but for a 13 to 15 point play at 860. You wouldn't short that? You wouldn't short that gain weight? I mean, shit, that's a clean that was a clean break of structure. I mean, as soon as they retest it, they're going to short this thing. And that's going to be at least 10 points. You're going to get 10 points out of this move for sure. If, I mean, they can hold it, obviously. I mean, it's highly probable to work out, but I mean, shit, they can keep rotating it higher. Who knows? But the Bears are definitely going to come in and try to sell this. They're definitely going to come in and try. And if I can get 10 points, shit, that's all kind of all you need on the ES. Hmm. So it looks like a bull flag. Okay, so let me just look at this real quick. Yeah, I don't think this thing likes me. All right, let's see if we can get this target hit so I can go to bed. You say you want 10? Yeah, unfortunately, 10 points is really good on the ES, even though it don't sound like it, but it really is. I think I probably overstayed my welcome in this gold trade. It's on the desk. She just wanted to come in here and talk to me. That's it. She just wanted to be near me, trying to be slick. She know that key was on that desk. Anyway. Hmm. 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 I am looking for the market to come back down here to 225 though. I do expect for it, if it doesn't do it overnight and come back down to 225, 220ish, then I expect it to go higher, and then we get down here to 225. 225 is definitely going to be an area where the price retest at for sure. Back down in this range is definitely coming back here. We got a breaker structure here. So I mean, we could see price come back into this area of support. Ah, man, you know what? Like I said, this will be my last gold trade. I ain't trading gold no more. That's crazy. I think I overstayed my welcome with gold. I think I overstayed my welcome on this short. Yeah, I think I overstayed the welcome. Okay. Mm, mm. Yeah, that's the bulls buying the retest. Okay. That's the bulls buying the retest right there. I really don't know why she missed me by literally a tick and didn't fill my target. That's the bulls buying the retest. Mm, yeah, okay. Mm. All right, man. All right. Yeah, that red line is the 50 EMA. I knew that if the bulls were going to bounce it, it was going to probably be at the 50 EMA. That's why I had my target trying to front. I could have. I mean, I had it above the 50 EMA. I could have sworn I did. Mm. But yeah, so this is the 50 EMA right here. That's the 50. That yellow line is the 21 EMA. That green line is VWAP. The silver line or gray line is the 200 EMA. Uh, it'll probably still short. We'll probably still see a move down because the 200 EMA is still coming down. So I'm pretty sure that the Bears will short it here. It just would have been nice if it just hit my damn target. Mm. So I'm about to get stopped out of that CL trade. I was wrong on the CL trade, apparently. But Gameway says wait until 72, but I'm gonna get stopped out at 79, I think. Yeah, I'm gonna get stopped out at 79. because they haven't price trading above a high. That's obvious that it's trying to go to the next level. Bulls don't want to take profits here. It wants to go, I guess, to 72 or 709 at this high. Hmm. Uh, all right, man. Have a good night. Hmm. Yeah, I'm not gonna load up a. Let's see. I'm not gonna load up a CL chart. I'll look at it on TradingView. I'll look at it on TradingView. Okay. Okay. All right. So I see why I was wrong. I see why I was wrong. Okay. I see why I was wrong. Yeah, that's definitely going up. I see why I was wrong. 72. That's definitely going to run that high. Okay. So we got a breaker structure here at 74. You got a breaker structure here at 74. All right, so that's 73.85. And they finally sold it at 716. So 72.78. 72.78 might be the area. 72.78. Let me look at that. Hmm. Hold on. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. 7113, huh? Hmm. Actually, I might not be wrong. I may not be wrong. I may not be wrong. I may not be wrong here on CO. Let's see what they do it right here. Let's see what they do. That's crazy. That's crazy, dude. The Nasdaq is literally not moving. That's so crazy. It's literally not moving. Mm. I mean, at this point, I think I should accept that this is probably going to go long on gold. I mean, this is obviously going to start rotating up higher. I don't think we're going to see a red candle down unless we see a red candle down. I don't. Yeah, this was my opportunity to get out when it was down here. Yeah, Alfred, that's mind blowing to me. I mean, we did see a bullish move up, but hmm, hmm. Yeah, Bookmap is not really giving me any clues either. It's not really giving that many clues. I mean, I see people trying to sell it in this area. I understand why they want to sell in this area because this is them trying to sell the breaker structure to the downside. I get it, but I wonder what's whatever, man. I can't believe I fumbled the ball. All right, Alfred. Yeah, I'm about to end it actually in the next 10, 15 minutes. It is getting late. Slow cooker NQ cooking short term shorts because they being greedy. Well, I mean, man, you know how it is, gain weight. You know how it is. Shit, at this point, I've married this trade at oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I guess I should have just kept my mouth shut, huh? So what I was about to say is that I married this trade. I might as well don't get out right here. I might as well actually trade this and get out at a because I mean it looks like you know what, man? We're gonna probably get like a double bottom, but I'm trying to front run that double bottom. Actually, let me see something real quick. I'm gonna set this target and then I'm gonna go to bed. Oh, I don't want that. Where's my screen at? Oh, there it is. Because at this point, I'm kind of done with it. All right. Probably might as well just have it come all the way down here. Let me see, 23, 27, 23. Let me see how much that is. Oh, that's not bad. And if I put this up right here, I mean, I'll probably blow the account. I would blow the account. I would blow the account. I just want to see how much it would cost. 43. One. Just want to see how much it costs. No way. Is it really that much? I would only lose $700 if I keep my. No way. Because I was just up $700 in this move. That is no way that's $700. Okay. Potential loss. So that can't be right. So entry price 27.36.8. Take profit. Stop loss at 27. Okay, I was like, okay, so I did it wrong. I was like, dude, that didn't even make no sense. Yeah, I would blow the. Oh yeah, I would blow the account. I would hit daily loss limit if I were to let that. If I had my stop all the way up here above these two highs. All right, so 40.7, 40.7. .7, 27, 28, 27, 28.7. I mean, that's not bad. If I were to let this, so if I were to let this run overnight, so this would be literally, so where I got my stop at, I would lose $780. And if I put my target right here, I would make $1,600. If I put my target here for a potential double bottom, this will be $2,600. I believe that the market has already made a strong high, at least for right now. I believe that the high is in for right now until it finds support somewhere here. Honestly, if price does get down here, I feel like it'll probably bounce because the bears are definitely going to want to, they're going to want to double bottom here at these lows. They're going to want to double bottom. The question is, will they get it? And the only reason why I'm bearish on gold right now is because they're selling the retest here. They're selling the breakers. They're selling the retest of the breaker structure right here. So that's why I'm bearish. Obviously, I would have preferred to have an entry right here. But right now, the 200 EMA is above price. That's obviously bearish on technical instruments. In order for this to return bullish, the bears would have to have a strong candle closing above the 200 EMA and pushing off of it. But right now, it's sloping to the downside. So my bias is bearish on gold right now. And I guess I've just married this trade. But all right, guys, that's it for me. That's it. I'm just gonna carry this trade into the night. I'm gonna look for a potential double bottom here on gold. 2730. Yeah, I think actually I'm probably might be being greedy, possibly, because they might actually just come back at these lows. We'll see though. They might just come back at these lows, honestly. Okay. But all right, everybody, I appreciate you guys joining. We'll come back and do this again at New York Open. And with that said, peace out, everybody.